If you have like this one, irregular spaces between words in Microsoft Word, then let us see how to fix the issue. I'm using Microsoft Word in Mac, but it is same in Windows also. So what I will do is I will select this one at first, go to edit, find, and select this option find and replace. Now go to replace here, and what I will do is I will open a bracket followed by space, and then I can open the bracket. After that, open the curly bracket, write 2, comma, and close the curly bracket. Now in this replace with box, what you will do is you will press the backspace key and type the letter 1. Now make sure to select this option use wildcards and then select replace all. Click on yes. Okay. Now if you see here, all the irregular spaces have been corrected. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment in the box below if you found this video helpful.